Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up credit card machine for small businesses. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So setting up a credit card machine for small businesses generally follows a similar process across most models. Here's what you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is unbox your device. Once you have purchased your credit card machine or card reader along with accessories like power adapters, Ethernet cables or SIM cards for wireless models, what you need to do second step is to connect to power. Plug the device into power source using included power adapter. If it's mobile reader, ensure it's fully charged. Then once you do that, connect to internet, Ethernet or Wi-Fi or cellular. Choose any of one of the options. Then the number 4 is setting up your software. Now follow the on-screen prompts to log into your payment processor account. Example, Square, Clover. You may need to enter your business credentials or configure tax settings. Once you do that, run a test transaction. Insert swipe or tap on credit card to test the connection and functionality. This will ensure that your device processes payments correctly and prints receipts if it has built-in printer. Number 6 is place the device for easy access. Position the card machine where customers and staff can easily access it, whether it's countertop model or portable model. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.